Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris, and today we've got a very cool 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle for you guys. This is a Restomod. It's got an upgraded LS2 engine with a 4L60 transmission. You also have some nice upgraded headlights here, as well as some Dakota Digital gauges with a custom red interior. This is a fantastic car with a beautiful paint job. It's got upgraded suspension, four-wheel disc brakes. This one's got everything you want. It checks all the boxes on the list, but overall, very nice car. Let's start up front here. Your chrome is in great condition. You've got your SS grille here. You also have your SS hood with the vents here on the hood. Paint overall is very nice on this car. To be black, you know, black shows everything, and this one looks really, really nice. Overall, your glass is in great condition. All your trim here around the window, all the chrome is in good condition. Your doors are in great condition as well. One thing I want to mention, all your gaps here are pretty nice on the car. They're nice and even all the way down. Your chrome on your mirrors are good. All your trim here around your wing windows are in good condition as well. Your drip rails look good. No cracks or anything like that. As you look across the hood here, it's nice and slick. It looks like a brand new paint job. One thing that I love about the Chevelles here, you got that big opened area here. You don't have a post or anything like on the 300s. Gives it a really sporty look. As we work our way down the quarter panel here, and I'm looking down the side of the car, all your body lines are nice and crisp. It's not wavy, it's nice and straight. It looks really, really nice. One thing I wanted to mention, you do have some aftermarket chrome wheels here that look really good. Once again, you do have the disc brakes in the rear, but overall very nice. Also, you've got your SS badging here that shows that it's a super sport. As we work our way around the backside here, the rear bumper and the trunk lid here, everything's nice and clean. You do have that classic black panel there that has the SS logo and the 396 badge. Overall, very nice, super clean car, guys. But with that being said, let's go ahead and work our way back up front so I can show you under the hood. All right, guys, check out that LS2. This LS2 is supporting 400 horsepower and 400 foot-pounds of torque. Now, that's from the factory. This one's been upgraded with a nice small little camshaft from Brian Tooley. You also have some long tube headers. You also have a nice cold air intake that runs over here behind the headlights. You do have a Hydro Boost brake system there to help with the stopping. You've got the billet hinges as well. Another thing that I like is the upgraded serpentine system here. So you got the billet brackets and all the upgraded goodies with the serpentine belt. But just overall, a very nice package in here, and it supplies plenty of power, and it feels great, and it's a great driving car. But with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and check out the interior. Man, check out this beautiful red interior, guys. You got a custom leather wrapped steering wheel. You've got a tilt column. You've got digital Dakota gauges. You've got brand new red carpet with matching floor mats. Now, the seats in this car have been custom made, as well as the door panels. It's done in a high grade material here with black piping just to give it some nice accent. You've got a nice headliner in here that looks really good. But overall, this is a very, very clean interior. And it definitely has that muscle car feel with the red, with the black exterior. But overall, very nice. But guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump to my favorite part, and let's take this one for a drive. Okay, guys, we're out cruising in the Chevelle, and this thing's getting tons of looks. The car drives really good. The steering's nice and responsive. All the gauges work. Radio sounds good. This car does have a custom radio that we forgot to show. It's all in the trunk. I'll have Justin just pan over some B-roll over this so you can check out the speakers in the back of the trunk. But overall, this is a very comfortable car to drive with the upgraded Hotchkiss suspension. This thing definitely handles the turn just fine. And also the engine supplies plenty of power. As you guys can tell, transmission shifts firm. And like I said, with the 400 horsepower, this thing moves really, really good. But with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get back to the shop, put this one up on the list so I can show you the bottom side. All right, guys, got the 67 Chevelle here back at the dealership up on the lift. As you can tell, you do have some beefy suspension here. You've got that nice thick sway bar, upper and lower A-arms and lowering springs from Hotchkiss suspension. Definitely gives this car a nice, firm, planted feel when you're out driving it around the turns. It feels really nice. Your frame is in good condition here. You can see your oil pan here from the LS2. You've got that 4L60 transmission. You've got dual exhaust that runs to an X-pipe out to 2 Flowmaster mufflers. You do have the 12-bolt rear with the Hotchkiss control arms and sway bar out back. Your floor pans are in good condition underneath here. I don't see any signs of any major rust or anything like that. Your frame comes back here, it looks good. You do have some lowering springs. You've got a nice fuel tank here with the electric pump inside, but overall just a really nice Chevelle. This is a really good driver. This is something that you could drive anywhere, take it anywhere, do whatever you want. You go to car shows, cruise-ins, do the whole thing, take the wife to dinner, you know the game plan. But guys, with that being said, go ahead and give us a call at 770-738-7111 if you're interested. And if you're watching this on YouTube and you want to see all the pictures on this beautiful car, go to our website at collectiblemotor.com. But guys, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and wrap this one up, and we'll catch you on the next one.